guys, and welcome back. So today I'm here with my best friend Kimmy, and we are going to show you how to make homemade lip scrub. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little notification bell. This way you guys know when I'm posting. And if you're a veteran here, welcome back. So this is the first time Kimmy and I have ever made lip scrub. I've used it before. You haven't, right?
No.
And I love it. So it's a really, really simple product to make, and you just use stuff from around the house. So today I'm actually at Kimmy's, and this is everything you need to make lip scrub. So what you need is honey. You need brown sugar, coconut oil, a bowl, some measuring tablespoons, what are they called, what? And you need little cups to keep them in. So let's get started. So Kimmy, what's the first thing we need?
2 tablespoons of granulated sugar.
Okay, so we're going to double the recipe because we're making one for me and one for Kimmy. So I'm gonna do 4, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna double the recipe and everything. What's next?
1 tablespoon of honey.
Okay, so we're gonna do 2 tablespoons honey because, like I said, doubling the recipe. If you need to double it, do it. If not, cool. Honey, I could just eat this
Right?
by the spoonful.
I would totally.
Yeah, I would too. This is a fun, easy project to make. Even if you guys, like your kids want to make it, you're having a sleepover and you're bored, do it. I mean, I love lip scrub. I have a peach one at home and it's almost gone. So I'm excited to make this one because now if my lips get chapped, I just put some of this on and I know where it came from. I don't know if any of you guys don't feel like you guys don't know where anything came from. Make it yourself. It's easy, it's cheap, and if you guys got random stuff like this hanging around your house, do it. Yeah, I just had some honey on my finger and I ate it. What? It's so good. I could lick this if I really wanted to. Listen, I'm hyped up on 2 cups of amazing coffee that Kimmy's mom made me, so don't mind my silliness. But then again, you can mind it, because that's who I really am, deep down. So there's a little bit of honey left, but I'm not going to mess with it. So, and then the last thing I believe you need is coconut
1
oil?
tablespoon of melted coconut oil.
Okay, so I will be right back. I'm going to heat this up for 15 seconds. Make it a little oily. I would bring you guys with me, but I don't want no friction. That is what it looks like. It does look good enough to eat, to be honest.
Yeah.
Now, just to be on the safe side, just because I'm an idiot and I don't really know how to do stuff right, I'm going to add a little bit more brown sugar. I'm not an idiot. I don't really measure stuff out right.
She eyeballs everything.
Hey, I'm Italian.
I know.
I eyeball like that. See what I just did? I eyeball everything because that's the Italian in me. So after you guys get however you want it to look, that's up to you guys. Like, I kind of wanted it a little bit like this, like a little bit chunky, because I feel like that's the way it's supposed to be because it is a lip scrub. Just mix it around. And then you guys can decorate these containers. I actually recommend it. We didn't have any paint or spray paint or anything around, so we just are going to use these little containers. We're just going to pop some in. And then you guys can be on your way. I would bring this to work. I'd bring it to school. I would use it any chance I could get if my lips are as chapped as they are right now. And then after I'm done using this, I normally, like I said earlier, use chapstick and put it over as like a seal. And you can like name it. You put a little Sharpie on it and like doodle, whatever you guys want to do. That's your prerogative. I think I might actually put a little slice on here. My nickname. Look how pretty they look. Don't they look good enough to eat? So that's what?
Should we test?
Sure. All right. So we are actually going to test this for you guys. Ready? We're gonna put the camera up. Hi. How you doing? Like I said, I have 2 cups of coffee, so please don't mind me. But this is Kimmy.
Hi.
You will see her in the numerous videos that we will be posting. All right, so there's still some left, as you can see. Huh, maybe Kimmy's mom will want to use that later.
Here goes nothing, guys.
It's nothing bad. So you just take some and put on your lips. And you just scrub.
Oh my god.
I normally do it like,
All over me.
it's okay. You just scrub. And then all the dead yuckiness of the day or the week or whatever comes off. And if you taste it, it actually tastes pretty good. You can literally lick it off your lips. And just keep scrubbing. And then what you're gonna do is or scrub it off like I'm doing.
I actually have some in my mouth.
It's okay, I did too. This is a completely harmless DIY, so if you guys get it a little bit in your mouth, who cares? It's just honey, brown sugar, and coconut oil, and it's all healthy. So, you just wipe it off. How your lips feel?
Getting there.
You
I don't know.
gotta really scrub. No, you gotta really scrub with the scrub.
Mm.
Now, the way I did it, I was like doing circular motions and like, I just have a way of doing it. And then your lips feel, mine are like really red, but then your lips feel like newer and a little bit better. Now, like I said, a little chapstick after you do this goes a long way, just because your lips, it's pretty much like you skin your knee or something, like you just took all that dead skin off, so this is fresh skin, so you don't want to put a protective layer over your lips just so they can like heal a little bit. Like right now my lips are tingly and they feel fresh, but that's a good thing. So I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and subscribe. This is a really easy, cheap video, and it was pretty fun to do. I am going to put mine in my purse. Well, I'm going to decorate it first. I'm going to put it in my purse, and I'm going to take it to work, and hopefully I don't eat it for lunch instead of using it on my lips, because that could happen.
Yeah.
Anyways, I love you guys. I appreciate all the love and support you guys have given me. And I will be posting a lot more. I want to say I'm sorry for not posting as much as I should. And that's that. Mr. Bear is going to be gone in about 2 seconds.
Yeah.
So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.